Unlock the power of sharing your stunning Figma creations by mastering the art of exporting as JPEGs. First, ensure the frame or object you want to export is selected on your canvas. You can do this by clicking directly on it. Next, look for the export section in the right-hand sidebar. It's usually located near the bottom, just above the plugin section. Click the plus button next to export to add an export setting for your selected item. Now, to set the format to JPEG, click on the drop-down menu that likely says PNG by default and choose JPG from the list. Figma allows you to control the quality of your JPEG. Click the quality slider or percentage and choose a setting, for example, 80% for a good balance of quality and file size, or 100% for maximum quality. You can also adjust the scale if you need your image in a different size, but for a standard export, 1x is usually perfect. With your settings in place, simply click the Export button right below the Format options. A Save As dialog box will pop up. Choose where on your computer you want to save your JPG file and give it a descriptive name. Finally, click Save and your high-quality JPEG is ready to be shared across the web, used in presentations, or incorporated into other projects.